Litshwiliselwe ngeveke zako ngeLesithathu icala labasolwa abamatjhumi ababunane nanye ababotjhwe e-Krugersdorp ngepelaveke. Abosolwaba babotjhwe ngemva kokukata abantu beengubo ababunane ebebafoda ividiyo yomvumo eduze nemayini engasebenziko eKrugersdorp eTjingalanga yeJwanisbhege.
Bokabasolwa bavele phambi kwekhotho kaMagistrata weKrugersdorp namhlanje ngaphambi kobana icala labo litshwiliselwe ngeveke zako ngeLesithathu. Lokhu kuzokunikela umbuso isikhathi sokuthatha inhlavu zefuzo labofakazi liyokuhlolwa. Abasolwa abanengi bebangakabi ukufumana igcwetha lombuso. Inhlangano zepolitiki bezigcwele ngaphandle ekhotho ziba wamaphiko wezomthetho ukuthi baqinise isandla somthetho kubotshwe amaphandleze ngokungemthetho. Ilunga le-Action SA lithi amaSewula Afrika asengozini ngamaphandla angasisemthethweni.
Right now, we have got people who are heavily armed in our country, with AK-47s. And really, we are not safe as South Africans. We are not safe as a country. And now, the problem is that this is a tip of an iceberg. There are a lot of things that are happening within our country. Potentially, there could be terrorists that are operating within our country.
Ilunga le-ANC unomvula Mkonyane uthi uhulumende uhlela ukubuyisa umhlaba lapha amaphandla angasemthethweni asebenzela khona ukuletha ukuthula emphakathini.
We are calling on everybody to support government's intention of expropriating all those pockets of land, whether it's Simunye, whether it's Lonmin, whoever who has deserted, because even now we believe there are many who are now underground because there's life happening underground and we have all been living under misery in this area.
Ngelesibili amaphiko wezomthetho athethe ijima lokukhalima amaphandle khulukhulu abozamazama beWestern lapho kubotshwe khona abasolwa abamachumi. Ngqongqoshe wamapolisa ubhekicele ebekadosa phambili ijimeli uqinisekisile bona abasolwa abagada bomma babunane aba bazokubotshwa maduze.